Don't forget to subscribe, support the channel. This is how it begins. I first take down the measurements of the pieces that I'm gonna need for assembling the closet or the wardrobe. Then after that, I give them to the salesman at Boardman. He checks everything just to make sure everything is in order. Then punch in all the sizes on the computer so they can give me like a quote of how much everything is gonna cost. Then we make a copy of my sizes. Then pay. After paying, they give me an invoice. It went to this much. And they give me pricing. Then edge all the pieces. It takes a bit of time, it's a process, but at the end everything turns out okay. And then when the edging is all done, I begin by assembling everything together. Begin by making boxes. Everything should be like up to square because all my measurements are precise. I wonder what it would all be like if I didn't have this nail gun. It makes things quick and easy. Then apply the support to make the boxes stronger. Then we screw them together to make them even more stronger. With screws, they'll be tight. After screwing them together, then we put the masonite at the back. We ran out of staplers, that's why we screwing them. It'll be stronger this way also, but usually I'd use staple guns. Then we staple the pieces together against the wall, then get the doors ready by screwing the hinges together. It takes a bit of time. We were doing like 8 houses. Then I'd screw the doors, put them in place, check if they're closing properly, then drill holes for and then put the handles in place. This should be a tight fit. This is what it looks like when it's all done. It's 2 doors and a space for packing clothes on the side. The customer requested it this way. And then from the side, this is how you see it. Off camera, we installed the cornice at the top there. And then at the bottom, we applied a kick plate. Please subscribe to the channel. It keeps us going. Thank you for watching.